Hey guys, welcome to Top End Rugby League Cards. This is the team randomiser for break 150. Time is 2:55. We'll go live for team randomisation. Okay, I'll grab the teams. We'll randomise 5 times as always. Tigers at the bottom, Broncos at the top. Let's roll. 16 spots. Number 1. Hope everyone's having a good day. Better than my day. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we'll grab the teams, put them in. Okay, there we go. So I'll put this list up. We'll go live tonight at 7:30, we'll say. How's that sound? 7:30. All right, guys. Cheers. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see everyone tonight. Thanks, guys. Take it easy and stay safe. Cheers. Time's 2:56.